In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust contrast without increasing saturation in Affinity Photo. This technique is incredibly useful when you're looking to enhance the visual dynamics of an image without altering the vibrancy of the colors. Let's dive right in. First things first, we'll need to add an adjustment layer. Head over to the Layers panel. It's generally located on the right side of the Affinity Photo interface. Look for the Adjustments icon. It resembles a small circle split in half, like a yin-yang symbol. Click on this icon, and a menu of adjustment options will appear. You have a couple of choices here. You can either select the curves adjustment or go with brightness/contrast. Each of these options can help you achieve the desired contrast enhancement, but let's touch on how each works. If you decide to go with the brightness contrast adjustment, you'll notice a straightforward slider in the panel that pops up. By pushing the contrast slider, you can smoothly expand the tonal range of your image, making shadows deeper and highlights brighter, all in a controlled manner. Alternatively, if you're using the curves adjustment, you'll see a graph with a diagonal line running through it. To enhance contrast effectively, create a gentle S-curve by adjusting this line. Click to add points along the line. Pull one point up slightly to lift the highlights and another down to deepen the shadows. This S-curve technique is a classic method for enhancing contrast without going overboard. Once your adjustment layer is added, it's time to refine its influence on the image. This is where changing the blend mode comes into play. In the Layers panel, make sure that your adjustment layer is selected. At the top of this panel, you'll see a drop-down menu for blend mode. Click on it and scroll down to choose luminosity. Selecting the luminosity blend mode is crucial for this process. What it does is ensure that your adjustment impacts only the luminance, the brightness elements of your image, without affecting the saturation. This means you're altering the contrast based solely on the light and dark values, leaving the color intensity intact. This technique is exactly what gives us the opportunity to enhance contrast without the typical boost in saturation that can sometimes lead to overly vibrant and unrealistic colors. And there you have it, adjusting contrast without increasing saturation using Affinity Photo. With these steps, you retain natural-looking colors while bringing out the richness in your image's lights and darks. Experiment with these adjustments, and you'll see how effective this technique can be for your photo editing needs. Happy editing!